Okay, so now I will get into the engage section of my online lesson module. So for this section, I wanted my students to know, uh, just get a little information about who Franklin D. Roosevelt really was. And I think it's important that the students watch a short, like this video, I think 5 minutes long. And basically, what I want them to get at is just get a basic understanding of who he was and why people loved him and why he served 4 terms and information like that. And I thought this video did a great job at explaining all that, and it's a great first approach to introducing who Franklin D. Roosevelt is. And then after or while they're watching the video, I'll have them think about like the questions there. What was Roosevelt's impact, and how did people view Roosevelt? The reason I'm asking them to think about this is because if they're thinking about it while they're watching it, it's going to lead to more engagement and a greater understanding. And also it opens like it allows the class to discuss in groups and to discuss in like as a whole about how we really feel about Franklin D. Roosevelt just based off this 5 minute video. And then, like I said earlier, basically all those same principles apply to this slide too, except now they're learning about Adolf Hitler. And although a 5 to 10 minute YouTube video on Adolf Hitler really doesn't grasp everything he did, but I felt like this video did a great job at touching like the bare minimum, like what everyone should know prior to learning more about him. And I thought this video did a great job doing that, and I thought it was very engaging. And I also asked them to consider how do you think Hitler got so popular, and why did people believe him? This is just another great question to keep them engaged and open up conversations. And then for this one, I believe this video was 10 minutes roughly, but it was kind of long, but I felt like it was just so rich in information that it was students had to listen and watch it. But it's why they needed to know this is because well, first it led the United States into World War II, and it was Franklin D. Roosevelt's idea, or not idea. It was his decision based off this event to enter the United States. So that being said, it was a very important event, and I want them to consider while they're reading is what are some reasons that made Japan attack Pearl Harbor, and they give a couple reasons in this video to why they would do that. And lastly, for the engage section, I have um, Hitler invading Poland. And this video is another 5 to 10 minute video, and I really felt like it did a great job at basically explaining like how Hitler invading Poland led to the start of World War II, and like it just showed how powerful this new Nazi force was becoming. And the question I want them to consider is why did Poland fall to Germany so quickly? And yeah, basically, my goal of these 4 videos is to introduce students to what we're going to be talking about, and also uh, just give them some background knowledge before we dig harder into richer material. But overall, I feel like these videos did a great job, and I found them very interesting and entertaining, while at the same time they grasp the students' understandings and help enhance that. So yeah, that's it for the engage section, and we'll now be in the next video moving on to the explore. Thank you.